Well, hi everyone. This is my review of the Stedi tungsten steel drill bits for a hand vise. I love Stedi. I think they're a great brand, very well designed, very well packaged up, and usually affordably priced. So to give you some context, I do modeling. Modeling is my hobby. For instance, historical figurines. These are little Norman cavalry, which I've just finished up. But if you're doing Gunpla or you're making military tanks, etc., or even bolt action, Warhammer, you might possibly start thinking about at some point investing in a pin vise. This is a little manual drill and it's great for putting holes, and I'll just show you how it works. I will take a drill bit out of here. Now this is the first thing that I really wanted to share with you. It took me quite a long time to work out how to open the box, but you'll see that one side has a little notch there. You twist one side up and one side down, and there you go. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drill bits, tungsten steel, so really strong in this particular set. And I'll go through the sizes in a moment, but 5 different sizes and precise, and they don't leave a burr, very sharp. And you take your drill bit, you wind out the front there and you slot that in, and then you tighten that up. It's got ball bearings in there, so you're ready to go. But the trick here is you go slowly and steadily. You don't need to rush this and you're not spinning around. It's great for taking away if you're going camping or going to stay in a hotel or something. That's where I use it, and pop that in your luggage. And then you put it down there and you can drill through. Here we go. As you can see, it's going straight through. There's some plastic coming off. And we are through. So a nice clean hole. Just tidy that up like so. Now the sizes you get, there are 5 here, and they're in millimeters. So it's 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3. Now when I first saw this, I know you can get smaller drill bits than 1 millimeter, and I thought, oh, I'd like a smaller one, but this is actually really quite tiny for me. I don't think I really need a smaller one. So I have found this kit really good, and a great little package there. So have the two together. So remember, you don't get a handle when you buy the drill bits, and you don't get any drill bits when you buy the handle, but together they make a great little team. So that's about all I can tell you about that. That's the Stedi pack of tungsten steel drill bits. Great buy.